Hello, I'm Scott and welcome to another episode of the MK2 Golf Stories. And today I'm going to be taking the bumper off my GTI before it goes to the body shop. So let's do it. Right after we've had a swig of tea. Ooh, lovely. First step, remove the indicators. Easy peasy, Phillips screwdriver. If your screw's not knackered like mine is, there you go. These come out and this just twists and the ball pops out. Same for this side. Again, twists. Let's get the bulbs out. It needs a twist as well. Yep, needs a twist and then pull out. It's bayonet, it's nice and easy. Okay, so before you start removing the bolts, make sure to put a jack, maybe some bricks, under the cross member, because the bolts that go through the cross member to the bumper are sometimes the only thing that's holding the cross member up, and the engine's mounted to the cross member. And if you take all four of those bolts out, there's a risk that this cross member that holds the engine could come down onto your head. So always make sure it's supported before you start removing them. Okay, so now let's get doing it. Once underneath the car, it's these two bolts holding the bumper on you need to take out. Just 17mm sockets on these. There you go, that's how to remove the bumper from your Golf. Safety first, always make sure you've got something underneath it to catch this cross member. Luckily on this side it's been held up, but on the other side it wasn't, I could feel it drop. Okay, so with the bumper off, I'm just going to treat these rusty bits, give them a bit of a clean up. The same in here. Give it a clean up in the armholes. Still minging. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, maybe drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave some comments. Don't hurt yourself. Don't let this fall on your head, because it will give you a bit of a headache. Okay, in the next video I'm going to be taking off the wings, so make sure to come back and watch that. Thanks a lot guys, bye bye.